Understanding Poetry, the Art of Revision and Editing. Hello, aspiring poets. Welcome to our lesson on revision and editing in poetry. Writing poetry is not just about stringing words together. It's a careful process that often involves multiple drafts. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through it. Remember, the first draft is just the beginning, not the end. So, why do we revise and edit our poetry? Well, revision allows us to refine our initial ideas and make sure our poem delivers the emotional impact we want. Meanwhile, editing focuses more on the technical aspects, grammar, punctuation, and spelling. Together, they transform our raw ideas into polished masterpieces. Now, let's talk about how to revise your poem. 1. Read your poem aloud. Poems are meant to be heard. The sounds and rhythms can give you insight into areas that need improvement. 2. Look at the big picture. Are the theme and emotions clear? If not, work on refining your message. 3. Check for coherence. Each line, each word, should contribute to the overall meaning and feeling of the poem. 4. Don't fear major changes. Sometimes, the best revision might involve rewriting entire sections of your poem. Embrace it. With the main ideas refined, it's time to move on to editing. 1. Correct spelling and grammar mistakes. These errors can distract from the beauty of your poem. 2. Check punctuation. In poetry, punctuation isn't just about grammar. It also guides the pacing and rhythm of your poem. 3. Review word choice. The right word can make all the difference in a poem. If a word feels out of place, don't hesitate to replace it. Revision and editing are not one-off processes. They can take time, and that's perfectly okay. Sometimes, stepping away from your poem and returning later can give you fresh eyes and new insights. Patience is your friend in the world of poetry. And that's it for our guide to revision and editing in poetry. Remember, the beauty of a poem often lies in the revision. It's the journey of turning your raw emotions into a piece that resonates with others. Keep practicing, keep refining, and you'll become the poet you aspire to be. Thank you for joining us today, and we can't wait to see the amazing poetry you'll create.